When you are an effective speaker and communicator, things will change for the better in both your personal and professional life. People that are prepared to stand up and have their say in the working environment command respect from others and are often in positions of responsibility. Are you someone that will freely give your opinion at work? Those that do are often called upon when important decisions need to be made. But it is critical that your mindset is right and that you develop the necessary skills to be able to speak confidently and communicate effectively. You would need to understand the benefits of being a confident speaker. You would also need to learn the traits of confident speakers that you can identify within yourself and work on to improve if necessary. You would also need to know how to plan what you are going to say, as well as how to use the right body language when you are speaking. You would also need to know the way to use your voice as well as how to use pauses. And last but not least, you would need to learn and dominate proven tips and advice to improve your public speaking. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn the benefits of being a confident speaker. You will learn the traits of confident speakers that you can identify within yourself and work on to improve if necessary. You will be able to plan what you are going to say to be a lot more confident with your speaking. You will learn how you can become a good conversationalist. You will learn how to use pauses in the most effective way, plus a whole lot more. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you speak confidently and communicate effectively. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. The benefits of speaking with confidence. The traits of confident speakers. How planning your speaking will help you. How to improve your conversation skills. The importance of body language for confident speaking. Using voice inflection to speak confidently. The power of the pause. How to improve your public speaking skills, confident speaking best practices, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to speak confidently and communicate effectively. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know the benefits of being a confident speaker. You want to know the traits of confident speakers that you can identify within yourself and work on to improve if necessary. You want to be able to plan what you are going to say to be a lot more confident with your speaking. You want to become a good conversationalist. You want to use pauses in the most effective way, plus a whole lot more. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Mindmap, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to speak confidently and communicate effectively. So it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm giving you up to 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you speak confidently and communicate effectively. I'll see you on the inside.